Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to insert the SIM card and the SD card onto Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. To remove the SIM tray you need an extraction tool. You will find it inside the tablet box. If you don't have this tool, use an unfolded paper clip or pin to open the slot instead. On the top left side is the SIM tray. Insert the SIM eject tool into the hole on the SIM card tray and push gently. Pull out the SIM card tray gently from the SIM card tray slot, and place the SIM card and SD card on tray with the gold-colored contacts facing down. Samsung Tab A9 can be used with one SIM card and one SD card. It is not dual SIM. Insert the SIM card tray back into the SIM card tray slot. Ensure that the ejection pin is perpendicular to the hole and push gently. That's all folks, thanks for watching and have a good day.